Yoi! So, I just moved into a new place a few days ago and I wanted to share with you guys what I felt I needed to print before anything else. First, a pen lid stand. We don't have a lot of space, so this was definitely an improvement. Also, less messy. I might have to give it a bit more space, but overall, it does the job. However, I think it will work better if I was able to pull the lids from above, maybe in the drawer or something, but well, for now it works like this. I also printed this one. This was supposed to be a stand for the pens themselves, but they just don't fit in the side position due to the handle, so this one was kind of a fail. Should have measured it first, I guess, and don't waste the print, but oh well, it happens. Maybe I'll use it for something else. I will probably do something similar with the plates, but I'm not exactly sure yet if I want a stand as well or like a small shelf. We'll see in the future. Next, dumbbell supports. This one wasn't a priority initially, but I really had nowhere else to put them because they roll on the floor and stuff. I just did it as soon as I could. I modified it for a smaller version. The second one is printing right now. And finally, a napkin holder. This one might not be the most practical choice, but I thought it was pretty cool, and it's to flex the 3D printing a bit for the guests that come here and see. It can't be all practical, right? Some of them are for the fun. And yeah, hope this wasn't too boring. This was my first video, only did shorts until now, but yeah, if you liked it and want to see what I'll do next, click that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.